Right, so how do you feel about the new banknote?
New banknote? Well, to me, don't really make a difference because the rate are the same. It don't really make a difference to me. If the rate did go up, that makes sense. Same money.
Money, it just look pretty and I wish it would have value. The value not there. I don't see it makes sense. But I would just keep the old money and done.
I'm excited about, the new look. It looks really nice, but I haven't had one for myself as yet.
Well, I personally don't have any problem with it. I think it is more sophisticated as it caters to all parties, persons who are blind. So it has on a little braille and it's pretty. So I have no problem with it. I like it.
As far as me check out it, you see, I'm sure if you take them in back and make them in a different way. Because it's like a plastic thing you're not going to work with it in a Jamaica. Because it can't fold up properly if you go in your pocket. So I get one $2,000 a day and I put in the side pocket a lucky thing. And in my house, I go and draw out. It's hard. The money is just slide out same place and bring them on.
It's pretty, but it's thin, in my opinion, and it kind of look like the Canadian money.
Okay, so this is the Canadian $5. It's because I don't have the Jamaican $1,000 to show you, but it's identical, the splitting image of the Jamaican 1,000. To me, they're very confusing. They're confusing the public right now, and especially the $500 compared to the 5,000. It's too close.
Well, I can't say much about it, simply because I haven't received one as yet.
Favor foreign money. Yeah, man, pretty man. I think you can wash them up and them now, because all the time money washing a machine and mash up. But this time, say, money good. Yeah, man, money them good, man.
It looks modern, it's pretty, it's light in my hands, and I don't want to spend it because it's so pretty. I want to hold on to it.
Some I really find them interesting. Like, I prefer them when I change out the silver them to paper.
So they remind me of the Canadian dollar. And they are very, very colorful. I like the mix of colors that are on them. And I do hope they stand up to the test of time, as promised. I hear there's rumors of them washing off and rubbing off. I haven't had that experience so far. They're looking good.
Only them look good, they look durable. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, I like them. The thing about it, they're more like plastic, so them are harder. I think them are easier to maintain more than the other one. You understand? So I think we're gonna get good time out of them still.